Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleep.
Good morning, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cafe Barista sa Kissimmee, Florida. Nag-bike kami 1 hour sa Kissimmee Trail. Yan yung interior nila. Ito yung in-order naming food. Ube, coffee, tapos peanut butter, chocolate, coffee. Ito, omelette. Welcome sa isa na namang bike ride. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kissimmee, Florida. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa downtown area. May mga murals.
Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, you. Thank the gods I found you. Yeah, proof. Those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you there in my reflection. You're a part of me, innocent peace. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Say that you won't hide away. Yeah, if you stay, I will make you my flame. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you there in my reflection. You're a part of me.
So nandito kami ngayon sa Lakefront Park sa Kissimmee, Florida. Time check 10:15 a.m. It's a Monday, July 13. Ganda dito. Hindi masyadong mainit.
We're going there. The lighthouse.
Going there. Ayan yung pangalan niya. Kissimmee Lakefront Park. Lake Tohopekagila. Ayan. Ayan siya. Merong lighthouse doon sa dulo. Ayan, may boat ramp. Pwede ka mag-jet ski, mag-airboat. This is the lighthouse. Ito na yung dulo. Ang daming beautiful places dito sa Florida. All year long. Yeah. Guys, sa Florida, Kissimmee, merong Philippine flag. Nice. Nandito kami sa Bataan Corregidor Memorial. Ayan ang nakalagay. This monument is dedicated to the Americans and Filipinos who served in defense of democracy in the Philippines during World War II, especially in Bataan and Corregidor, and on the infamous Death March. 1994 to. 1994 ginawa. Ayan o. 1994. A project of the Filipino-American community and city of Kissimmee. Kissimmee, Florida. Philippine flag. Nice. Dito yan sa Orlando area. Kissimmee, Florida. Honor those who died that you might stand here free this day. A soldier of Bataan. Yan. Yan, the siege of Bataan and Corregidor. Capas, Tarlac, Clark Airfield, San Fernando, Pampanga, Lubao, Orani, Bataan, Balanga, Limay, Mariveles. Yan. Yan. Route of the Death March. Death March begins April 9. 65-mile trek with no food, no water, no rest. 10,300 people. Kababaihan, kabataan, died of diseases, starvation, and sadistic beatings. And outright execution. Ayan guys, American flag sa kaliwa, Philippine flag sa kanan. Then yung Death March monument. Right there. Okay, let's go. Thank you, Kissimmee, Florida, for honoring So after nito, pabalik na kami sa parking. Pupunta kami ng The Baker's Son. Filipino bakery siya. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga bread na tsaka pastries na binibenta nila. Masarap dun sa Baker's Son. Sikat yan sa Florida tsaka sa Houston, sa Texas area. Tapos baka mag-lunch kami sa Filipino restaurant, Zenny's Filipino Cuisine. tinitesting din namin tong bago naming camera. Bumili kami ng Insta360 Luna Ultra. Gimbal camera siya, pocket gimbal camera. Para siyang DJI, DJI Osmo Pocket talaga yung style niya. Pero ito, Insta360. Nade-detach yung screen niya. Pwede mong gawing mic tsaka remote. Ganda ng panahon, hindi tirik yung araw. Hindi rin makulimlim. Hindi pa, baka mamayang hapon uulan. Dito meron yatang daan dito, Berber. Ito. So ayan yung mapa ng Lakefront Park. Ang open niya is 7 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. So medyo late siya nagsasara. So nandito tayo ngayon. Kaya nilibot natin lahat yan. Yung lighthouse nandito. Lighthouse. Tapos yung Bataan Corridor. Andyan din. Tapos nagpunta pa tayo dyan. Gandun sa dulo. So maganda rin tong trail na to, no? Park. Yan. Daming boat ramps. Yan, ganda. Malinis as usual. Florida, the best. Let's go sa parking.
We're done! Yung mirror image, parang gano'n.
What?
Or ba-
May trend pa nga.
Takot ka, no?
Bagal kasi nito eh. So, andito kami ngayon sa Zenith Filipino Cuisine. Yan. Yan ang hours nila operation. 7 days a week. 11 to 8. Diyan kami magla-lunch. Dito pa rin yan sa Kissimmee, Florida. So, andito kami ngayon sa Zenith Filipino Cuisine. Yan. Tamad na magluto sa bahay. So, yan. Chicharon bulaklak, $14. Lumpia, $6. Apat na piraso. Tokwat baboy, $14. Check nyo na lang, $14, pancit canton, spaghetti, malabo. Ulam, laing, pinakbet, munggo. Ayan, $14. Adobo, tinola, sinigang. Ayan, $16, $15, $19. Bangus belly, sinigang, $19. Inihaw na pusit, $19. Ayan. Beef kare-kare na oxtail. Saan na yun? Ayan, 25. Binili namin dinuguan, $16 dinuguan. Tapos dinakdakan, $16 din. White rice nila, $1.25 lang. Ilocos empanada, $7 each. Bihon gisado. Yan, $14.95. May isaw din sila. Pork isaw, $10.50. Beef isaw, $10 din. 3 pieces. 3 sticks. So ito in order namin. Ilocos empanada. Kinakain na ni Jamie. Sarap. Ayan. May sukang Ilocos din. Tapos yung isaw, pork. May yung dinuguan. Nice. Then yung pansit kisado. So tikman natin yung isaw. Yan. Kahit yung marinate niya, Pilipinong-Pilipino. Lasang street food talaga. So ito na, complete order na. Dinakdakan. Sarap. Tenga. Maskara. Ayan. Complete order na dinakdakan, dinuguan, isaw, empanada, pansit. So dito na tayo sa Baker's Son. Open sila ngayon. Pichi.
Sarap.
Legit.
And then, may puto flan. And kutsinta. And bibingka. This is Thai tea with ube and mini halo-halo.
So, andito tayo ngayon sa Baker's Son. Yan yung cashier nila. Meron din sila mga pastries dyan na for sale. Baskets. Ayan, puro ube. $7.99. Makapuno. Pandikoko. May milky cheese bread. Ube cheese bread. Meron silang guava cheese bun, arroz caldo. $5.99. Ensaymada. Spanish bread yata. Ay, bicho. Bicho, 3 pieces for $2.99. May siopaw din. May fridge din sila, cassava cake, leche flan, ube makapuno, mango float. Frozen bread. Sapin, $11. Spanish bread. Big. Tapos meron din silang half. Pastillas. Ube. Crinkles. Ube crinkles. Then puto bongbong. Tapos dyan yung drinks nila. If umorder ka ng drinks. Dyan. So ito may microwave din sila kung gusto mong iinit yung pinamili mo na bread. Yan. So ito yung cashier nila. Meron din dito. May turon. May carioca. May cassava, suman, hopya. Tapos beef empanada. Guava cheese. May turon. Yan, turon. So yan, Baker's Son. Thank you at nagtayo kayo ng branch dito sa Orlando area. Nice. Legit Filipino bakery. Napakainit.